when we got together and Farizah first talked about the podcast, I said, oh my god, I pun dah lama teringin nak buat podcast macam ni. In fact, I rasa I pernah buat kind of like a podcast waktu tu. I also had Farizah on it. I mean podcast when I was in lockdown waktu tu.
Masa COVID.
Masa COVID, I was in lockdown kena duduk kat bilik hotel 7 hari ke 10 hari, tak ingat lah. Time tu kan tak boleh keluar dari bilik hotel tu. And I decided how can I pass my time. Jadi waktu tu saya kata, okay lah, saya nak buat IG live because I have my phone. I have so many friends who are, kepakaran dalam bidang masing-masing. Like I said, all walks of life. And one of the episodes, I had Farizah on there and we talked about COVID. We talked about vaccines. And it was very, very good. A lot of people got a lot of information daripada episode tu. Terima kasih Farizah.
Yeah.